Here.
Hi everyone. I placed an order through Yarn Canada, and when you spend over a certain amount, the shipping is free. And of course, when you get a shipment from them, they don't show on the label what it's the name of the company. So when I noticed the box came, I was like, oh, what's this for? Okay, so I watch a lot of Bagel Day tutorial videos, and she showed a video on some throw cushions. So I ordered one of the yarns that she recommended to use for it is Bernat crushed velvet. So ooh, that's pretty. I ordered a couple skeins of it in a couple different colors. And this one it's a bulky weight 5, and use a recommended hook size is 5.5 millimeter, and wash cool, and you lay flat dry. And the color I ordered is called Violet. Oh, I don't know how you say that. Oh, maybe that's French. Oh, maybe it's, Potent Purple? Maybe it's the color name?
Looks like it.
But it's got different, it looks like it's got different shades of purple for it, so like from medium purple to lighter. Now, probably show it closer on the camera. Ooh.
Oh.
I guess we'll zoom on.
Yeah, this is kind of in a different room.
There we go. You can see the colors.
Yeah.
And then here's the color name.
Oh, it went out of focus. There we go. Yeah, it's max zoom. So hopefully that can be.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sort of from a little shaky.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. That is really soft. And then, oops. And the second color I chose. Oh, okay. I understand now. So that's a weird color name. Potent Purple. Okay. This one is called Shadow Purple. That is a really nice purple. Then, so there's that one.
Yeah, I should use the larger lens, but well. Yeah, I got it.
And one thing I like about Bernat labels, they always put a free pattern on the back of the label. Okay. Ouch. And they also included a little sucker.
Yeah, a little sucker or lollipop if you're in the States.
No, this is Canada. Canada website.
Yeah, I know, but some people call it a lollipop.
And I also ordered, because I thought, what else can I make with Bernat blanket other than searching YouTube videos, and I ordered a Bernat blanket home decor. Inside it says there's 8 crochet designs. So there's blankets, there's a throw pillow, little floor puff. So there's that one. And ooh, blankets. There's that one. And there's this one. And little stitch. That one's interesting. And there's this one. Oh, there's all kinds of patterns in here. Oops. And then, okay, so like I said, Yarn Canada is based out of New Westminster, BC. And I believe when you spend over $75, the shipping is free. And they always have little contests going on. And right now they have an Instagram little contest. And that's all that I ordered in this package. And I'm going to roll it up for my son. So, if you like what you see here and want to see more videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks everyone. Bye.